What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Isabel and I would love it if you would subscribe. In today's video, I thought I would do 5 of my favorite fall outfits at the moment. I originally wanted to do a week in my life outfits, I guess. And the reality of it is I only wear sweatsuits during the week. I work from home and that's all I wear. I don't bother to put jeans on because like I'm working from home, and I don't bother to put on cute outfits because I'm working from home. So the only time that I actually put on cute outfits are if I'm going out or if it's the weekend. So in today's video, I thought I would share what my 5 favorite fall outfits are at the moment. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so this is outfit number 1. So I'm wearing this sweater that I got from H&M. It's honestly one of my favorites that I got. I just love the turtleneck. I love that it's not too thick, it's kind of thin, so I'm not too hot in it, and I just think the color is really cute. And then I'm wearing these denim jeans from Abercrombie and some Uggs. I just think that this look is like so trendy right now. I see so many people wearing like the oversized sweater with like, I don't know, like straight cut jeans. I don't even know what cut of jeans these are, but they're like my favorite from Abercrombie with the Uggs. I just think everyone is wearing this and it is so cute. I completely get it. So outfit number 1, one of my favorites this season. Yeah, I really like this. So let's jump into outfit number 2. Okay, this is the second outfit. It's very similar to the first one, but the vibe of it is very different. So we've got this quarter zip underneath that I got from Harvard University. And I've got this puffer vest. Also, like, the quarter zip is very like oversized. It's a like unisex large, which to me in my head is just like a men's large. Unisex large is equivalent to men's large to me. So it's like a very oversized with this sweater vest, or not sweater vest, but like this puffer vest from H&M, and then the denim jeans and the Uggs as well. I think this together just looks so cute, cozy. I'm going to a cafe. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna read in the cafe or work in the cafe. Like, this is just the vibe. I love this. I think this is so cute. And let me take like the puffer vest off because I think the outfit without the puffer vest looks so cute as well. Like, honestly, you guys, if it is too hot outside, this together just looks so cute and screams fall, comfy, casual, lounge. Like, I'm obsessed. I think this is so cute. This is like obviously like one of my favorites. This is probably the one that I'm most likely to wear because I'll keep the sweater for like occasions. This is more of like a casual look for me, so this is like most likely to be worn. Anyways, let's get into the let's get into the third outfit. Okay, you guys, this, I'm gonna be honest, this is one of my favorites, and I will say this right now, I am an outfit repeater to the core, and I have repeated this outfit multiple times and I'm obsessed with it. And it is this right here. I have these leggings right here from Aritzia, my Air Force Ones, this oversized crew neck also from Aritzia, and I just love the blue with the like gray leggings. I think it's just so cute. And then the puffer vest. And I've worn this outfit multiple times as a lounge outfit around the apartment, so without the puffer vest, and I've worn it a few times to go out as well, like grocery shopping or just to like go get my nails done or things like that. So like, I've worn this outfit so much and I love it a lot. Also, if you guys watched my last haul that I posted, you would know that I got these leggings from Aritzia. I knew that I was gonna get so much use out of them, and honestly, I've been getting so much use out of them and I'm so happy. I love this outfit. I think it is so cute, so loungy and cozy, but at the same time appropriate to go out. And honestly, I think it would look cute with my Uggs, but I kind of like it with the Air Force Ones. So like, either or works for me. Okay, speaking of repeating outfit, this is probably my second most worn outfit of fall, and it is so cute, so cozy, so comfy, and honestly, you guys, I'm a sucker for a good oversized sweater during the fall. So this outfit, like when I want to be comfy and I don't want to wear a pair of jeans but I kind of want to look elevated, this is what I go for. I think this looks so cute, super comfy with the Uggs, the socks peeking out is just such a cute little detail. Personally, for me, I think it looks really cute. And then the oversized sweater, it has little slits down the side. The sweater is from H&M, leggings are Lululemon, my socks are Aritzia, and my boots are Uggs. This outfit is just so cute and it looks really, really nice with the puffer vest over top. Let me show you guys. Like, you guys, look at how cute this looks. Like, if I'm going out and I'm already wearing this outfit, I just throw the puffer vest over top. And honestly, I am so impressed. Like, H&M is so good. Like, this season, I just feel like they are popping off. They have such good pieces, and this puffer vest is so warm. So I think it was $60. I got it for like 20% off. So really worth the price because it is so warm. I don't even have to wear like a full jacket on, and this will keep me warm. So definitely love that. But like, look at how cute this is. If I'm going out, I just put this on, and like, oh, the oversized sweater, the leggings, the Uggs, the puffer vest, like, I just love everything about this outfit. But let's get into our last outfit. Okay, this is my last outfit for a full creamy lounge moment. I love this outfit. I've worn this for dinners. I've worn this as just a lounge little type of outfit. Also, like, don't mind, I'm wearing like a bra top underneath that you can kind of see because it's black, like this one right here. Don't mind it. But anyways, this is my last outfit. I love this one so much. I think it is so cute with like the Uggs. It's just like the Uggs ties the look in, and honestly, these pants I got from Aritzia. The top is H&M, obviously. I showed in another outfit, and then boots are Uggs, but these pants are Aritzia, and I got them in the spring. I got them during the clientele sale in the spring, and I love these pants. I styled these for like a breakfast date for me and Alex, like in the spring. They look so cute, and I can still style them during the winter, which I love. And they go so well with like the sweater, which I was not expecting, and I'm obsessed with. And honestly, like, I just love this look. It's so loungy. It's like a matching set moment, even though it's not a matching set. It just works together, and I think it looks so cute. Let me throw the puffer vest on because that's what I wore it with when I like went somewhere and had to put something over top. So let me show you guys. Look at how cute this is with the puffer vest as well. I like it. I think the contrast is cute. I don't think everyone's gonna love it, but I think the contrast is really cute and I love it a lot. So I'm obsessed, and I think this outfit is a 10 out of 10. I think it is so cute, and it's just like the comfiest, most loungy outfit there is, and I just love it so much. It's definitely an outfit that I've worn a few times, and I am obsessed with it. I love it, and we love a good outfit repeat because we don't buy our clothes just to wear them once, and when we find a cute outfit, we want to repeat it. We want everyone to see it. So yeah, this is the last outfit I had to show you guys. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, and as you guys can tell, like, these are really like my most worn fall outfits. You might have seen them in previous vlogs. I'm obsessed with these, and can we please normalize outfit repeating? Because like, I'm not here to just like wear an outfit once and never wear it again, and also that's just wasteful because you'll just want to buy more clothes all the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot but I have it. Now you wish that you had it.